Namaste Yogis. Have you heard about Kumbhaks or restraining our breath in those particular areas? If not, this video is for you to know the patterns of restraining our breath. This is a very nice topic, Kumbhak, which is practiced by all yogis, in which we are extending the level of our prana. So thank you for watching. Watch this video fully and I will come with the topic of Kumbhak. So basically the meaning of Kumbhak in Sanskrit, it's called to hold or to restrain. So why we do that? The same type, same practice, that to make the force and to use that force into our body, Kumbhak is practiced. And Kumbhak, there are two kinds of Kumbhak. I will also mention to you how to practice, when to practice, and what will happen when you practice Kumbhak. Practice with inhalation. It is called Anta Kumbhak, means we are holding that force, that breath internally. The second one is when we take a deep breath, we exhale out and we hold our breath externally or outside. That is called Vahya Kumbhak. Vahya means external or the outer side. So in this video, I'm mentioning the meaning of Kumbhak, how to practice Kumbhak, and the benefits of Kumbhak. In the next video, I will mention how to practice Antar Kumbhak or internal locking or restraining. So first, Kumbhak. How to make Kumbhak? So Kumbhak I mentioned, you will take a deep breath. So for example, I'm holding this breath in, which is the part of Antar Kumbhak, and I'm making it with that force. So I'm using that force for my awakening of that region, especially the chakras, and the exhale. And during Kumbhak, you need to be very patient, very calm, because there are the situations that when you have that flow, it can aggravate your emotions. So just for your information, it's very normal. So just to be with that pace, whenever you practice Kumbhak, please be at ease. Please be patient. It's very important because so many changes they start to happen. And now we will come during the Kumbhak, how long you may practice this restraining. So the first thing, if you are practicing Vahya Kumbhak, the external restraining, which is longer. So the process is same. You are sitting in a comfortable pose, Sukhasana, in which your legs are crossed, the back is straight, and you're checking your breathing pattern. So you have to inhale with your both nasal at the same time. For example, if I'm holding this prana in, this is internal holding or restraining. So it's for 10 or 20 seconds. So it depends. If you're an advanced practitioner, you can go longer. In beginning, only 10 to 15. As you will exhale out fully, as that's called your Samsthiti or neutral position. Now we'll come on the topic of benefits of Kumbhak, why we practice Kumbhak and what happens. Benefits, what are we getting from this restraining? So the first thing is a physical component which is raised from your navel, which is basically to activate your energy level. So the first reason is your energy level will be high. The second benefit for the lungs, that your lungs they become strong. If you have anything related with the lungs, especially asthma, skin disorders, bronchitis, or any allergy, you may try Kumbhak. But Kumbhak always with under your guru or with a qualified teacher, so they exactly know in this problem. You may practice Antar Kumbhak or Vahya Kumbhak, even how long you may practice. So there are few restrictions to practice Kumbhak. It's for advanced yogis, as I mentioned. This video is for serious yogis because you will get a lot information. The third thing, for when your lungs are healthy, you're practicing Kumbhak, your heart. It's very effective in the heart diseases as well. So your heart becomes strong, the pumping is solid, you're getting more fresh oxygenated blood for the system. And now number 4, when you're continuously practicing Kumbhak, what happens? Your large intestine and small intestine, they are more nurtured. Basically, this topic is very interesting. You will not find this information in other videos. As I mentioned, small intestine and large intestine, they are nurtured, means they are getting more nutrients. And number 5, your liver. So whenever you're practicing Kumbhak, your liver, the king of your body, it's very healthy. The people who are having problems like fatty liver or problems related with your liver, you may definitely practice Kumbhak. Now I will come on few restrictions when you're practicing Kumbhak. So the first thing is time. The time duration is important, so you should exactly know how long you should practice. If you're practicing for a long duration of holding, that could hurt your system. If you enjoyed the video, thank you for watching. Namaste.